Okay, so this is going to be a short little demo, pretty much demonstrating the different functionality of our app. So initially, when a user downloads our app, they will be directed to this login page where they can log in, put in their username, their password, and log in. If they don't have an account, they can go to the sign up page, put the username in, password, and confirm password. There is some error checking here, just in case if they put inconsistent passwords where this password is different than the other. There is some error checking involved. So for this demonstration, we already have a account already created called test. So once you log in, it says you're in. It takes you to the first screen, which is called the home screen, and this screen is just basically a collection of all the posts from all the different users who are currently on our platform. And this page has a few different functionalities. For example, the first one is the search functionality. If we wanted to search for a specific recipe, or a recipe that has chicken in the name, or in this case it doesn't have chicken in the name, it has chicken in the description, we can do that, which is pretty cool. Also, another thing is our app gives the users the ability to like posts if they want to favorite it. As you can see, we have a few of them favorited over here, and also we have a view counter keeping track of how many views each recipe has gotten from the users currently on our platform. And lastly, the last functionality, or one of the last functionalities for this page, is the detail activity. The detail page, which shows a more detailed version of the recipe. It has a bigger image, it has the recipe name and also the description, and then also has the ingredients, all the necessary ingredients that the user will need in order to recreate this recipe. And then lastly, a method, which is pretty much directions on how to cook this recipe. So going backwards, the last functionality is the sorting ability. So we can basically sort. Let's say we want to see the recipe that has the most views, we can do this, 6 views. If we want to see the recipe that has the most likes, we can do this. So it's pretty cool. So the next page is the add recipe page, which is pretty straightforward. The user will take a picture, and then they'll fill out the necessary fields before they submit it, just to show you how it works. I mean, this is the emulator. Got it. Take a quick picture. Shows the picture, enter the title, description, ingredients, method, and then they would just submit it, and then it will show on their account. So the last page, or the last screen for our app, is the user or the profile screen, which shows all of the different posts that the user themselves have posted, all the different recipes that they have posted. And as you can see, there's a little personalized message. Hi Test. The name of our account is Test, but if there was a different name, it would show a different name. And very similar to the other to the home screen, there is the ability to click on it and show a more detailed version. It also shows the view count for the person's recipe, and then they can even like their own posts if they want to. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, so the last functionality would just be to sign out. So once they're done with the app, they want to maybe log into another account, they can just click the sign out button, and they're back where they started.